So now we have configured a local yum repo server. So next we need to go to every host and change that repo file. Okay, so here by default you can see the some repo files default, so which is pointing to internet for getting the packages. So we can remove all those packages. Okay, so and you can we can create our own custom package like CentOS. I'm writing as CentOS hyphen local dot repo. Okay, here CentOS hyphen local, and the name, whatever the name I can give is CentOS local. Any name you can give. Base URL, this is the location where this is the location where we have hosted our packages. Okay, so we have hosted our packages. Okay, so if we can directly copy from here. So this is the master machine IP address, and this is the directory where we copied our packages. Okay, so I can copy this entire thing and paste it here. See, and another thing is gpg check, so that I'm changing to 0. Okay, so this file I can create across all other machine and make sure, okay, yum clean all and yum repo list, so that will list that repo. Okay, so CentOS local and status everything. So I need to do the same across other machine also. Go to this directory yum dot repos dot d and remove all other repo files. Okay, and create a repo file here and add the same thing, because this machine also would be able to communicate with other machine, and we will write the same in other node 2 also. yum dot repos dot d and remove whatever the existing repo file and create a local repo this file and add these lines here. Okay, so this is done. So now we have completed that local repo configuration. So next we have to do certain prerequisites. Okay, so again so we need to copy Ambari as well as the Hortonworks packages to this machine, because we are doing the installation without internet. Okay, so you can visit to this website docs.hortonworks.com and select HTTP, and again so here we have the version selection. Whatever the version you want, you can select that HTTP version, and here click that Apache Ambari installation. So if you select some other version, so it will be pointing to that version. Then getting ready, here we have option like local repository. Okay, so obtaining local repository, here we have two options, Ambari repository as well as HDP stack repository. Okay, so first we will select that Ambari repository, and for Ambari we have to choose the operating system, so which is here on the left hand side, and same whatever the packages for corresponding packages on the right hand side. Okay, mine is CentOS 6, so I need to download this package. Suppose if you selected some other version, at the home page we have HDP version selection, so it is 2.4. Again, if you want some other version, we can do that. Similarly for HTTP also we have same repository for 2.5, 2.3, whatever the version you want, you can select that. Again, for HTTP we have two tar files we need to download. One is HDPs, okay, and HDP this file, as well as HTTP util file, okay. Again, so if you are using some other operating system, based on that you can select that, okay. So first thing you need to do is go to this site docs.hortonworks.com and click here. We have option to change the version, okay, 2.4.2 or whatever the version. Suppose if I am trying with this 2.3, because I already downloaded 2.3 sometime later. So okay, 2.3.0, yes, okay. And here you can select this automated installation and getting ready, then local repository, obtaining the local repository option. Here we have option for Ambari and HDP, okay. So I have downloaded this one, and apart from this we need to download JDK. So for that we can click JDK 1.8 download in Google. So it will we can download that package from Oracle web page here. So we need to select Linux 64, okay, because we are using the 64-bit operating system. Also our Hadoop support only the 64-bit operating system. So you can download this package. So once it is downloaded, so we can transfer those files to your Linux, either any of the Linux Windows transferring utility. I am using WinSCP, okay. So WinSCP, I'm doing login to this one, root, and whatever the password, okay, I'm logging here. Okay, and I have that whatever the files in this directory. Okay, one second, let me, okay, here, and Hadoop install bit, okay. So JDK is here, HDP is there, HDP Ambari. So these files I am just copying to my cluster machine. So it will take some time to transfer that, so we'll have to wait until this transfer finish. Okay, I have copied those files to master machine. So we'll log into the master machine and can see that here, okay, Ambari is here, HTTP, HTTP util and JDK. So I'm unzipping those files one by one. tar zxvf Ambari. Then I'm moving that into destination as /var www html, okay. So it will okay, so it has moved to this directory and unzipped. We can just check our www html, yes, Ambari is here. And we'll do that HTTP as well as HTTP utils command, I mean packages. HTTP -2.3 -c /var www html. Okay, so that is done. Now we have to uncompress this HTTP utils. tar zxvf -c /var www html. Okay, so we have moved all those files. Okay, next we will have to copy this JDK files to some location and unzip that.